The first menu on the E-Trade dashboard is Assets. Assets is the section that gives you your portfolio evaluation. At a glance, you can see the performance of your portfolio. You'll see your total assets, net asset value, and your annual percentage growth, as well as your available cash balance. From here, you can also view a list of your stocks. For example, in this case, we have Access Corp and CHAMS. You'll see the number of units, unit cost, stock cost, and the market price. Right from this menu, you get a snapshot of how your individual stocks and overall portfolio are performing. The next section is Trade. New Trade, this is where you execute your trades. Here you have the options to buy and sell. You'll also see your available cash balance. For example, let's say we're buying QDIX. We input the quantity, say 5, and then click Submit. This means the order will be placed at the market price. There's also a section where you can adjust the order's time validity. By default, it's set for today. However, you can choose good till date, which means that the order can stay open until the future date if it doesn't execute today. Just change the date and the order will remain valid until then. You also have the immediate or cancel option. This means that the order should execute immediately at the current market price, or else it gets canceled. Similarly, there's fill or kill, which requires the entire quantity to be filled at once, or the order gets canceled. A market order simply means the order should go through at the current market price. A limit order, on the other hand, means you specify your preferred price. Seeing that today's lower price limit is 3.29 and the upper limit is 4.01. If I want my price at 3.35, I'll input that and then click Submit. Once submitted, the same process applies for selling. The key difference is you can't sell what you don't own. If you try to sell, say, Zenith Bank shares without holding any, it won't go through. Once you input a stock for sale, it shows your available position and you can only sell up to that amount. So here, when selling, your stock position is shown. There's also Trade Market Activity Monitor, where you can check the status of all your trades. Completed orders show as completed, meaning they were successfully executed. If an order shows expired, that means it didn't go through, likely because your preferred price wasn't met. You can also modify any expired or pending order from here. Next is the Market Radar, and this gives you a global overview of the market. The first section shows general market movements. You can scroll through stocks or search directly, e.g. typing QDIX will pull up its details. Once selected, you'll see bid levels and offer levels along with match trades that have been executed. As deals are completed, you can see them in real time. You'll also see the top bidders, say 50 units at 2 Naira 29 Kobo, and top offers maybe 426,000 units at 2 Naira 30 Kobo. This helps you understand current demand and supply. If you select another stock like Custodian, the interface updates to show the total supply and demand for that stock as well. Then there's Contract Note. This allows you to generate a contract note for any trade you've executed. It can even be backdated. Also note that as you trade, transaction notifications are sent to your email. From here, you can also get your P&L, profit and loss. When selling, it helps you track the outcome of all your transactions and understand your profit margin. The next section is the Data Hub. This provides a broad overview. First, you'll see Sectorial Indices Monitor. This allows you to monitor performance by sector. For example, the All-Share Index gives a quick snapshot. If it's green, the market is trending upward. If it's pink, the market is down. You'll find the pension sector, oil and gas, the main board, and premium board. These are the segments that the market is divided into. The banking sector also appears here with its performance. Next is the Time and Sales Monitor. This shows all executed trades for a stock from the market's open. For example, if you're tracking Access Bank, you can scroll through all its trades starting from market open at 10 a.m. You'll see trades like one at 149,403 units, timestamped at 10:11 a.m. You can scroll continuously to keep track of all trades up to the current time, say 2:30 p.m. Then there's resources. This is where you'll find your news feed. It provides updates on what's happening in the market. You can click on the plus icon to view full details of each news item. This section helps you stay informed about trends, regulations, and company news. Many of these updates can also be found on the NGX website. Next is the ASI charts. Here you get a visual performance overview such as the all-share index and your watch lists. If there are specific stocks you want to monitor, you can set them up from the market radar and save them to your watch list. You'll also see quick summaries of the market movers, stocks with the highest activity, along with top gainers and top losers. It's a shortcut for tracking key market shifts without going deep into details. And finally, there's support. If you have any issue or concern, complete the input form and send an email from this section. You'll receive a response promptly.